Hello students, see today we are going to see the essay writing from your grammar textbook. Essay writing means what? Essay means composition you have to write. They will give you one of the subject on which you have to write the essay. And the essay means the first you have to write the introduction, means what about that essay is. You have to write the subject it is given to you. You have to write the introduction of that. Then the body means the main thing what you are going to write in that essay, and after that you have to write the conclusion of that essay. Means it should be at least your 15 to 20 lines should be there in your essay writing, and that full whatever the subject is there, that related to that subject, whole things you have to cover in that essay. Now this is the one of the essay from your page number 105. I am going to read for you all. In same way, there are the different subjects you can see here on the page number 106. My friend, holiday with grandpa, uncle, auntie. Then my favorite sport, my memorable journey. Then Christmas celebration at school. These all are the subjects. From this, you have to write in your notebook. This I am going to read for you. In the same way, you have to write that one of the essay on the subject, my friend. You have to write in that your friend's name. Then whichever friend, your best friend, you can write on that best friend what he do for you, in which things he help you in studies. Then you all play together, you all eat your tiffin together. If it is your school friend, then you share your things with him or her. And if it is at nearby your home, then that also you can write that you eat food together, or you sometimes he comes to your house whole day for playing, or you go to that person, your friend's house. Then you enjoy your Sunday, you go to the picnic with your parents, you take your friend and go. Anything you can write, whatever you like about your best friends. Even you can write, sometimes even you don't like some things of your friend. That also you share your, then you share your sweets. Anything, whatever you share with your toys. Then whatever you play with him, that in the garden, on the ground, that everything you can write in that your essay writing. Now I am going to read for you this one essay from page number 105 from your grammar textbook. Summer holidays. What is the subject given for you? Summer holidays. Summer holidays gives us a lot of time to relax and rest. I think you all like the summer holidays because you get the time. There will be no studies, and you means whole day you have to play, relax, eat, see TV, watch movies, cartoons, anything you can do in that summer holidays. Then for me, summer holidays means spending time with my grandma who lives in the village called Shamli. She got a huge open space with trees all around. See, when if you go to your village, where your grandparents live, there you can see that nowadays you all stay in buildings or the space where there is not much of space for front of your house. But when you go to the villages where your grandparents stay, there is more of the space to play for you, and no traffic, no pollution, so that holidays you also might be enjoying. Same way, this one of the student like you has written this holiday how he has spent with his grandparents. She got a huge space with the trees all around. My favorite is the neem tree. Granny has caught under this tree. I take a pillow, a couple of books, and lie down. What he is doing now, when he go to his grandmother's house, he lies the neem tree where he keep his granny. She kept one cot there. He takes a pillow, lie there, read books which is there with him. Then one day I was deep in the thought, and I heard someone flutter and hop from the branch to branch. I looked up towards the branches of the tree. I spotted a myna. Means this is the name of the bird. When he was lying on that cot, he saw that some birds, they were hopping from trees to trees, and that bird was myna. He saw that bird, and he was myna, who looked at me and made a shrill cry. Then hopped another one. Means there were two birds which he saw when he was lying on the cot. The nearest pair wanted to make a home. They saw a hole in the trunk and were happy to live with each other. When you all know that birds, they make the nest on the trees, and sometimes even the trunk is that in that which the hole, if the hole is in the trunk of the tree, they build their house. Means they start staying there. They lay their eggs. That is also the home of the birds on the tree. After a few days, the mother bird lay 4 bluish tiniest bit of brown. Once the eggs hatched, both parents were seen feeding the babies. Means after some days, the bird she laid the eggs, and from that laid eggs, the small birds, when the eggs were hatched, the baby birds came out, and both the parents even started to bring in feeding. Means they used to bring the food from outside and feed them. The feedling were soft brown with a deep orange color, beaks fluttering, unstraining to become the independent. The children of the locality had found a job and were seen chasing away all the cats in the vicinity to protect the lovable babies. I became a permanent keeper and Granny the caretaker of the bears. Means the other animals like cat and other the children who were staying nearby, they used to come and always disturb or go and see the birds. You all also might be having, when you see the nest and when you see the birds, they are having the eggs. That time you also have the curiosity to go and see in that nest. Same way here also people also, many of the small children, they used to go and see in the nest how the babies are born. So this boy, he was the caretaker. Granny was the caretaker of the birds, because any other birds or animal should not come and take that small babies away or eat them. So even he and his granny both were taking the care of them. Day after day, I could see the little chicks grow, feather, and love the way they would open their eyes and begin to make noise for the food. You might have seen sometimes in the nest the small babies of the birds or chicks of the birds. They make some certain sound for the food. Then their mother parent, father parent come and give them food in their beaks. They keep their beaks open, they come from outside, they go again, bring the food for their small chicks. Because the small chicks, they can't fly. They cannot, because they are yet small. After some days, when they get their wings grow, they start flying. Time seems to fly and day rush by in the lap of the nature and among the loved ones. But now my vacations was coming at end. Daddy called up to tell me that would come earlier to pick me up, as he had to go on an official tour. Then that boy is saying, after this all, when the birds were big, they flew away, they went back they started flying because they were grown up now, and his also vacations were going to end. His father, his papa was going to come and take him, because even he wanted to go to the official tour. So he came and took and come for taking him from his grandma's house. Granny made sweets for dad, laddus for me and mummy. His grandmother also, what she did when he was going back to his home, she made some laddus and for him and his mother. Daddy arrived on Saturday and we left the very next day. When his father came to take him on Saturday, and the next day he left his grandma's house. Granny hugged me for the long as she could when I touched her feet, and waved till we were on the out of sight. Means what happened? He touched the feet, means he took the blessings of his grandmother. Then he was waving, means from his car he was showing hand for his grandmother. She also hugged him. Because many days, for the long time he was staying with his grandmother. I reached home by evening with the memories for the entire year. I felt so fresh after my vacations with Granny and the bird families. Then he is saying that after going home, he was remembering what he had done in his grandmother's house, and after that, for the whole year, he kept that memories with him, and he was very happy as he had spent many good days with his granny and the bird family. So in this way, you have to write this essay, which should be of 15-20 lines, and you should write, the subject will be my friend. So in your notebooks, you can write this essay with same, however, how first should be the introduction, then body, and then conclusion should come in your essay.